For number 10, it says the spinner of equal proportions, shown below, this guy right here, is spun once where the number is recorded. The spinner is then spun again and the color, red or yellow, is recorded. The shaded ones are going to be red and the yellow ones will be the ones that are lighter. So we've got red, yellow, red, yellow. It tells me to draw a tree diagram to show the outcomes. If it tells me that the spinner is spun once where the number is recorded, that means that if I go with spinner, it'll either land on a 1, a 2, a 3, or a 4. So the number comes first. Then from there, they spin it again and it'll either land on red or yellow. So red, yellow, red, yellow. I'll make this one a little farther so I can not run out of space when I'm writing. Red, yellow, red, and yellow. So now I need to fill in the probabilities. Sorry, this is supposed to be an S for spinner. Since it's all equal proportions, that means that this is going to be 1 out of the 4. 2 will be 1 out of the 4. So this will be 0.25, 0.25, 0.25, and 0.25. When I add all of those together, it equals 1, which is the total for the circle. Then, if it lands on 1, the second time I spin it, the probability of it landing on red, which there are 2 out of 4 red, will be 0.5, since half of them are red. You could also do 2 out of 4 and then reduce that to find that it'll be 0.5. So we've got 0.5 for red and 0.5 for yellow. That'll be the same as if I had first landed on a 2, same as if I first landed on a 3. So each branch, when I add it together, 0.5 and 0.5 gives me 1, 0.5 and 0.5 gives me 1, and those will work out the same as well. So now I have my tree diagram. It's asking me what the probability is of landing on red. So if I'm trying to find the probability of landing on red, I need to go to all of the reds and follow them back and multiply as I go back and then add all of those together. So I could do 0.25 times 0.5. So I went from red 0.5 times 0.25 plus 0.5 times 0.25 plus 0.5 times 0.25 plus 0.5 times 0.25. Since these are all the same, I'm doing the same multiplication each time. I can also rewrite it as 4 times 0.5 times 0.25, which is going to give me 0.5.